Jinghao Medical is a leading Chinese hearing aid enterprise situated in the Guangdong-Hong Kong-Macau Greater Bay Area. Since its establishment in 2011, Jinghao Medical Technology Company Limited has grown from a small, dream-driven company to a leading force in China's hearing aid industry. Our industrial park, covering 100,000 square meters, has an annual production capacity of 10 million units. This success is attributed to our significant investment in research and development. Jinghao is equipped with a cutting-edge laboratory complex that includes audiology, acoustics, and quality control labs, ensuring stringent quality standards from R&D to shipment. This ensures that every hearing aid is safe, reliable, and effective. In 2021, Jinghao Medical achieved a milestone by going public, becoming the first listed company in China's hearing aid industry. That same year, we were honored with the title of Little Giant Enterprise at the national level, recognized for our specialization, precision, and innovation. In 2022, Jinghao successfully achieved mass production, delivery, and application of our independently developed chips. We are committed to using MindChip to make Jinghao's products accessible to more users worldwide. In 2024, Jinghao became the first hearing aid enterprise in China to earn the prestigious EU MDR certification. Moreover, the acquisition of Intercom Incorporate's hearing health business in the US has enhanced Jinghao's competitiveness in the industry's high-end market. Today, Jinghao has secured over 10 professional medical certifications across Europe, America, Japan, South Korea, and Asia Pacific, holds over 100 patents, and serves over 10 million users with hearing loss. Our products and services reach over 90 countries and regions, serving as a warm link to the global community.
15年的发展专攻于助听器领域，从传统的模拟助听器到现在快速发展的数字助听器，Jinghao的产品和服务不断在迭代升级。从 ODM 到自主品牌，Jinghao的品质和服务不断在夯实。从代理商到自建渠道门店，我们与客户的距离也越来越近，倾听用户的声音，感受听损人士的痛点。Jinghao数百名高级研发人员和听力师一直在全力以赴，辛勤付出。
Hearing clearly, hearing well, hearing with ease. Jinghao Medical makes communication more better.
中国人在很多行业都惊艳了世界。15年来，Jinghao一直在做一道证明题，证明Jinghao可以，中国助听器可以。秉持着正心正念经营，以产业报国的心愿，让人们的生活更幸福、更美好。
In the passage of time and the vast expanse of technological advancements, we, as a proud Chinese brand, are using the brush of technology to paint a brighter future for those with hearing impairments.